Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Bamboo, and as we know that it is the best OAuth and OpenID SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video we are going to set up Bamboo Single Sign-on with custom OAuth Provider. Let's get started with the setup. On the Bamboo dashboard, navigate to Settings icon on the top right corner, and click on Manage Apps. Then click on Find New Apps. And search OAuth SSO in the search bar, and press Enter. Then click on Free Trial in the miniOrange plugin. Click on Install, click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policies and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. After activate the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth SSO configuration. In the Configuration tab, select Custom OAuth App. Then enter the app name of your choice. So, firstly we are configuring miniOrange's custom OAuth provider. You can use any other OpenID provider. Log into your miniOrange account. Then navigate the apps. Here we will be using Bamboo as our OAuth client. Here enter the client name of your choice. For redirect URL, go back to the plugin, and copy the callback URL, and paste it in the given field. In the Add Policy section, let the group name be default. Policy name is Bamboo Policy, and login method is password. You can also enable two-factor authentication and adaptive authentication here. Then click on Save. Your app has been configured successfully. Let's set up Bamboo as OAuth Client. Go to the Configure OAuth tab. You will find the client ID in the OAuth Provider. Click on Select, and select Edit option. Then copy the client ID, and paste it in the client ID in the plugin. Similarly for Client Secret, go to your OAuth Provider, click on Reveal Client Secret. Then copy it, and paste it in the plugin. The configuration will verify other OAuth providers. You can refer the setup guide for the configuration. In Scope, enter email to fetch the email address of the user, and profile to access the user's profile data. These scopes are specific to the miniOrange OAuth provider. The Authorize endpoint, go back to miniOrange account, then copy Authorize endpoint, and paste it in the given field. Similarly, you will find the access token in OAuth endpoints as token endpoints, copy, and paste it in the plugin. Then copy user info endpoint, and paste it in the given field. You can enter fetch group endpoint and logout endpoint as well, but it is optional. Scroll down to Advanced Settings section. You need to select State Parameter. The state parameter is an extra parameter, sent in the authorization request to protect against XSRF attack. This parameter is required by the miniOrange OAuth provider. You can enable this field based on your custom OAuth provider. Then click on the Save. Your OAuth settings updated successfully. Then scroll down and click on Test Configuration. You can see Test Configuration here, along with first name, last name and email ID. After successful test connection, you will get a SSO button on the Bamboo login page now. Click on Use OAuth Login button. Log into your miniOrange account. You will be logged into Bamboo dashboard using miniOrange credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data, and you can find the user email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.